How to fix AirTag not updating location. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix AirTag not updating location. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to go to your settings and then go to the search bar and type in Find My. Click on search and then here you're going to click on Find My Apps. Once you do so, you're going to click on location over here and then you're going to make sure the option is on while using the app. Once done, you can go back to settings again, go to the search bar and type in Bluetooth. Click on search, click on Bluetooth and simply disable Bluetooth and then enable it again after a few seconds. Go back and then this time we're going to search for location services. Type in location and here is location services under privacy and security. Click on it and then you're going to simply disable it, click on turn off, wait for a few seconds and then enable it again. Once done, your issue must be resolved. If the issue is still there, then you gotta check your Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi is working correctly, but still the issue is there, then you can switch to mobile data and see if the issue is resolved. But one way or another, your error would be resolved. So that is basically how you can fix AirTag not updating location. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.